Welcome back. Let's begin with a new chapter, linear equations for class 7. I will straight away begin with exercise 14a. Alright, solve each of the following equations. Now, your first question is 5 into 7z plus 4 is equal to 35. Now, when I have 5 within the bracket z plus 4, there is nothing here, children. So what does it mean? When there is nothing here, it means you have to multiply. So it is 5 into z plus 4 is equal to 35. Now when I have like this is distributive property. Now I do this into this plus this into this. So now let's rewrite it. 5 into z. Children, I hope you have understood. 5 into z. What is here? This is plus. And 5 into 4. Now, in the beginning, I will show you every step. Then you can always do it directly once you have followed. So, I have 5 into z plus 5 into 4. Which is equal to 35. Clear? Now, 5 into z gives me 5z plus 5 4s are 20, which is equal to 35. Children, you know your algebra. So, let's bring the like terms together. 5z is equal to, let's bring the numbers together. 35. Now, plus 20, when I take that side, it becomes minus 20. Correct? What's the meaning of 5z? 5z means 5 into z. Correct? Then 35 minus 20 gives me what? Gives me 15. Is it right? So 5 into z is equal to 15. I need to find z. So z is equal to 15 into 5. When I bring that side, it becomes upon or divided by 5. So what is z equal to, children? Z is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Z is equal to 3. I'm sure you have understood how to do this. Is it clear? Let's move on to the next sum. Question 2, or the second sum of exercise 14a. I have 2 within the bracket y minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 0.3. I just told you, children, what does it mean when there is nothing here? Correct. It means you need to multiply. Correct. So I have 2 into y minus 2 into 5 upon 2. So let's rewrite it. What do I get? I get 2 into y gives me 2y. Then what is here? Minus. Then I have 2 into 5 upon 2. Correct? 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, children. So what do I get? I get 5, which is equal to 0.3. I repeat. You have 2 into y, which is equal to 2y. There's a minus sign, so I put minus. Then 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I get 5, which is equal to 0.3. Now children, here you have decimal. So let me make sure I have this also converted into decimal. 5 becomes 5.0. Now let's do it. 2y is equal to 0.3 minus, when I take that side, yes, it becomes plus 5.0. Correct? Now, what is the meaning of 2y, children? 2y means 2 multiplied by y is equal to, please be careful when you add your decimals. Now, 0.3 plus 5.0 gives me 5.3. Correct? So this will be 5.3. So y is equal to 5.3 into 2. When I bring this side, upon 2. Now children, my answer will come in decimal form. Right? Why? Because here I have in decimal. So let's divide and see. 5.30 divided by 2. Correct? Now 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Put your decimal point. Bring your 3 down. 2. Correct. 2. 6 are 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring the 0 down. 2 5s are 10. Now, if you're very confident and you can do it just like that straight away, you can do it even that way. You needn't divide. You have 2 2s are 4. Put your decimal point 1. 2 6 are 12. 1 remainder. 2 5s are 10. So you can either do it this way or you can do it that way. I hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next sum. Now let's try the fourth sum. I have 3x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x. X means children 1x minus 3. Now let's bring the like terms. Children, don't shift your equal to. Make sure they're all one below the other. Let's bring all the x's here and all the numbers this side. So I have 3x. Now this means 1x. 1x means plus 1x. So when I shift it this side, it becomes minus 1x. I have minus 3 here. Let it be as it is. It is this side of the equal to. I've just brought it down. The minus 5 upon 3. When I take it that side, it will become plus 5 upon 3. Children, this is in the form of a fraction. So let me convert this also in the form of a fraction. When it is just 3, we will write it as 3 upon 1. Now, 3 minus 1 gives me 2x is equal to, let's do this in the rough column, minus 3 upon 1 plus 5 upon 3. Right? So children, when I take my common denominator, I get it as 3. 1 goes 3 times. 3 will go 1 time. So minus 3 3s are 9 plus 5. So children, different family, please be careful. Minus 9 plus 5. So that is 9 minus 5 gives you 4. Put the sign of the bigger number. Minus 4 upon 3. Please be careful with the signs. So 2x is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Have I finished? No, we haven't. I still have to find only x. I have 2 here. What is the meaning of 2x? 2 multiplied by x is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So x is equal to minus 4 upon 3. There is multiplied. So this will become divided by 2. Isn't it, children? So x is equal to, if I take this in your rough column, whenever you're dividing, minus divided by plus, my answer should come as minus. So it is 4 upon 3. Divide will become multiply. And 2 means 2 upon 1. When you put the multiplication sign, you do the reciprocal. So 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. Let's cut the common numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So when I reduce, what do I get? 2 upon 3. So my answer is minus 2 upon 3. I hope this is clear with you. Please see that when you work out, you're very careful and you show each and every step. Let's move on to the next sum. Now, let's read your fifth sum from exercise 14a. 0.6x minus 1.9 is equal to 0.2x plus 0.5. The same way, let's bring all our x's this side and all our numbers this this side. So I have 0.6x. Now plus will become minus 0.2x. I have plus 0.5 and minus 1.9. When I bring it this side, it becomes plus 1.9. So I can put it either here or here. Plus 1.9. It doesn't matter because it is plus. Now 0.6x minus 0.2. So what do I get, children? 0.4. So I will write it here. 0.4x is equal to, I have 1.9 plus 0.5. 9 plus 5 gives me 14 and 2. So I get 2.4. So this will be written as 2.4. What do you mean by 0.4x? It means 0.4 multiplied by x, which is equal to 2.4. So x is equal to 2.4 upon multiply, when I bring this side, upon 0.4. Children, we have done our decimals, and you know I cannot have decimals in the denominator. So when I shift one from this side, I shift here 2. So what do I get? X is equal to 24 upon 4. So when I reduce, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. So x is equal to 6. I hope you have understood, children. Let's move on to the next sum. Alright, children, let's do the sixth sum from your exercise 14a. Now, by now you're familiar. When there's nothing here, it means you need to multiply. So I need to do this into this minus this into this. I have a negative number. Please remember this is minus 4. So this into this minus this into this. So let's do it. 2 3s are 6. So I have 6y minus 2 2s are 4. Correct? Then minus 4 2s are 8y. Children, now be careful. Minus into minus, because you're multiplying minus 4 into minus 5. So minus into minus makes it plus. 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 9. Always remember, children, when you have negative, keep your finger there so that you remember that you have to be careful while multiplying the second number here. I repeat, 2 3s are 6y minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4 2s are 8y minus into minus gives me plus 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 9. Let's solve the like terms. I have 6y minus 8y, and then I have minus 4 and plus 20. So let's solve it. I have minus 8y plus 6. Different family, subtract. Correct? So I get here as minus 2y. Then I have plus 20 and minus 4. So what do I get? Plus 16. Isn't it, children? Alright. So I get here as plus 16, which is equal to 9. Correct? So minus 2y means you know it is 2 into y, which is equal to 9 plus 16. When I take that side, I get it as minus 16. Correct? So then I know that minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 16 plus 9. When you subtract, different family, subtract. You will get it as 7 minus 7. Put the sign of the bigger number. So minus 7. Now, y is equal to, children, there are two ways of understanding. Minus and minus makes it plus. So you can just cancel it off and write it as 7 upon 2. You can do it this way, or you have minus 2 y and minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7 upon minus 2. Minus and minus makes it plus. So you will write it as 7 upon 2. Or just look at this and cancel here. Minus and minus makes it plus. I hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next sum. Now children, let's move on to question 8. I have 7 minus 2 within the bracket 5 minus 3x is equal to 4 within the bracket x minus 3 plus 5. By now you have understood how to do your sums, right? So I have 7 minus, now here there is a minus, so leave 7 here. 7 minus, this will be 2 into 5, children, negative. So please remember, and minus 2 into 3x, 4 into x, and 4 into minus 3. So let's do it. 7 minus 2 5s are 10. This is minus 2, children, remember. So minus and minus makes it plus. 2 3s are 6x is equal to 4 into x gives me 4x minus 4 3s are 12 plus 5. Is that clear, children? Okay, I'll repeat. 7 minus 2 into 5, so minus 10. Minus 2 into minus 3x, so minus into minus gives me plus. 2 3s are 6x. So here equal to 4 into x is 4x minus 4 3s are 12 plus 5. Now let's bring the like terms together. I have these as 1. So that is minus 10 plus 7. That will give me minus 3. Correct, children? So minus 3 plus 6x is equal to, again I have only numbers here, so 4x, I have minus 12 plus 5. Different family, subtract. So 12 minus 5 gives you 7. And put the sign of the bigger number. So I get minus 7. Now let's bring the like terms together. I have 6x here. So 6x plus this equal to is here itself, children. Always learn to bring your equal to's one below the other. Plus 4x minus, when I bring this side, it becomes minus 4x. Correct? Then minus 7 is here. Now when I bring minus 3, this side of the equal to, it will become plus 3. Is that clear? You have your equal to here. 6x is here. Plus 4x, and bringing this side, it becomes minus 4x. Minus 7 is here. Minus 3, when I take that side, it becomes plus 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2x is equal to minus 7 plus 3. How much is that, children? Different family, subtract. 7 minus 3 will give you 4. Put the sign of the bigger number. So I get minus 4. 2x means what? 2 multiplied by x. So you know that. So x is equal to minus 4 into 2 when I bring this side upon 2. So minus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 when I reduce. So my answer is x is equal to minus 2. I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next sum. Alright, now children, let's move on to the 10th sum. Alright, when there is nothing here, it means it is 1p. I have minus here. Be careful. Whenever there is minus, please be careful. So it is 1p. Children, when there is nothing here, it means it is 1. So it is minus 1. So I get, please be careful when you have a negative sign. Alright, and now let's do it. So I have 1p minus 1 into 2 gives me 2p. Minus and plus gives me minus 5. Correct? 5 ones are 5 and minus. Again I have negative, minus sign. So whenever you have minus, please be alert. So this will be minus 5. Minus into minus would give me plus 5 twos are 10p, which is equal to 2 threes are 6 plus 2 fours are 8p. Again I have minus. So minus 3p minus into minus plus 3 fours are 12. Now I have my equal to here. Let's bring all the like terms together. Let me repeat. 1p minus 2p minus and plus gives me minus 5. Then again minus 5 minus and minus plus 10p. 2 threes are 6 plus 2 fours are 8p minus 3p plus 12. Okay, now plus 1p minus 2p plus 1p minus 2p and plus 10p. Correct? These are all our like terms. So if I have to do it, what do I get? Let's just write here. Plus 10 minus 2 would give me plus 8. Correct, children? And then plus 1. So 8 plus 1 gives me 9. So let me put it here as 9p. Now, minus and minus, same family, so you will add. So this will give me minus 10. Is it clear? Alright, then we have here plus 8p minus 3p. Different family, you will subtract. Put the sign of the bigger number. So what do I get? Plus 5p. Children, when it's 5, you needn't have to put, when it is plus, you needn't have to put it. Just leave it as 5p. Plus 12 and 6 would give me 18. Correct? Now, I have 9p. This is my equal to plus 5p when I bring this side minus 5p. Correct? And 18 minus 10. When I take that side, I get it as plus 10. Clear? Have you understood? 9, when you remove 5, you get it as 4p, which is equal to 18 plus 10 is 28. You know 4p means 4 multiplied by p. So p is equal to 28 upon 4. That will give me 7. Is that clear, children? Have you understood? Children, I finish with these sums and let's continue in the next class.